In this particular lesson, we're going to deal with an interesting problem, and we're going to solve this problem using find and replace. So here's our problem. This list is supposed to contain all of the countries and the capital cities of Europe. When you look at the way it's formatted and set up, though, this doesn't look really professional. So let me take a look at my formatting marks and see what's really going on. So what I see here is I see a pattern. I see that the country, between the country and the capital city, is a tab. And what I want to do is I want to format this so that it has the name of the company, the name of the country, comma, space, the name of the capital city. Since this formatting in my document right now is consistent, even though it's completely wrong, this makes it easy for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the text, and then I'm going to use find and replace to take care of this for me in one fell swoop. So select all the text. Again, that's Control A. Now I want to bring up find and replace. That is Control H. When this comes up, what I want to tell Word is I want to look for a tab and I want to replace it with comma and space. Some of you may have your screen looking a little bit like this, where you don't have these additional options. All you need to do is simply click on the word more, and now we're all at the same spot. Okay, so when it comes to find what I want to find is a tab, so I'm going to backspace over that to get rid of it. And then what I want to do is here at the bottom, I want to click Special, and I want to select Tab Character. And then where it says Replace With, I want to type the comma and the space. And then let's see what happens when we select Replace All. It says it went ahead and made 53 replacements. Do I want to search the rest of the document? Always a good idea. So I click Yes, and it confirms that it made those replacements. Notice when I told Word that I wanted to look for a tab character, it automatically put the code in here in the Find What box. You're not limited to just using the tab. You also here, let's say you wanted to replace this paragraph symbol with, I don't know, multiple paragraph symbols. You could click on the special again, and now you see paragraph mark. And so I could say, wherever you see a paragraph mark, replace it with 2 paragraph marks, or replace it with a word or a space or whatever it is that you need to replace it with. I'm going to leave that alone for now and just go ahead and exit out of this. You notice it seems as if everything is lined up quite a bit better because you have your country, comma, space, your capital city. And when I turn these formatting marks off, you can really see how nice it's laid out. And so that's it for using the find and replace to find and replace formatting symbols.